Disclaimer. This video was generated using ChatGPT and is designed to help examinees prepare for the upcoming civil service exam. It is not affiliated with the Civil Service Commission, CSC, or any government agency. If you found this video helpful, please follow, save, and share it for the next part. Your support allows us to create more educational content for future examinees. Best of luck to all future passers.
Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Part 2. Topic: Verbal Ability. Reading Comprehension number 26 to 50.
26. Passage. The scientist toiled for years to perfect his invention, despite repeated failures and criticism from his peers. What does toiled mean? A. Rested. B. Worked hard. C. Gave up. D. Celebrated. Answer B. Worked hard. 27. Passage. Although the movie received critical acclaim, its box office performance was underwhelming. What does this suggest? A. The critics liked the movie, but the public didn't watch it much. B. The public loved the movie. C. The movie failed both critically and financially. D. The movie was never released. Answer A. The critics liked the movie, but the public didn't watch it much. 28. Passage. The author's eloquent prose transported the readers to a distant land, allowing them to experience its wonders vividly. What does eloquent prose mean? A. Clumsy writing. B. Beautiful and expressive writing. C. Short sentences. D. Unclear words. Answer B. Beautiful and expressive writing. Passage. Despite his affluence, the businessman remained humble and continued to support his community. What does affluence mean? A. Wealth. B. Poverty. C. Fame. D. Power. Our answer A. Wealth. Passage. The government's policy was met with widespread dissent, sparking protests across the nation. What does dissent mean? A. Agreement. B. Disagreement. C. Ignorance. D. Celebration. B. Disagreement. Passage. Her meticulous attention to detail made her an exceptional architect. What does meticulous mean? A. Careless. B. Thorough and careful. C. Rushed. D. Lazy. Answer B. Thorough and careful. 32. Passage. The artist's latest work is a profound commentary on social inequality. What does profound mean? A. Deep and meaningful. B. Unimportant. C. Funny. D. Obvious. Answer A. Deep and meaningful. Passage. After years of rivalry, the two companies finally forged an alliance to tackle global competition. What does forged an alliance mean? Ended their relationship. B. Faked a friendship. C. Built a partnership. D. Ignored each other. Answer C. Built a partnership. 34. Passage. The speaker's remarks were replete with sarcasm, leaving the audience uncertain whether he was serious or joking. What does replete mean? A. Lacking. B. Full of. C. Empty. Simple. Answer. Full of. Passage. The once thriving town languished after the factory closed, with many residents moving away. What does languished mean? A. Improved. B. Prospered. C. Declined or weakened. D. Celebrated. Declined or weakened. 36. Her benevolence toward the poor earned her the respect of the entire community. What does benevolence mean? A. Kindness. B. Anger. C. Wealth. D. Power. Answer. Kindness. The novel's protagonist embarks on a journey of self-discovery after facing numerous trials. What does protagonist mean? Main character? Villain. C. Setting. D. Theme. Main character. Passage. The jury deliberated for hours before reaching a unanimous verdict. What does unanimous mean? A. Divided. B. Complete agreement. C. Uncertain. Biased. And B. Complete agreement. 39. Passage. His condescending tone alienated his colleagues, making collaboration difficult. What does condescend mean? Respectful. B. Respectful. Talking down to others. D. Friendly. C. Talking down to others. 40. Despite the grim outlook, the team remained resolute in pursuing their goals. What does resolute mean? A. Weak. B. Determined. C. Indecisive. D. Uncertain. Answer. Determined. 41. Passage. The diplomat navigated the tense negotiations with remarkable finesse. What does finesse mean? Clumsiness. B. Skillful handling. C. Hesitation. D. Ignorance. Answer. B. Skillful handling. The ancient ruins stood as a testament to the civilization's ingenuity. What does testament mean? A. Evidence or proof. B. Mystery. C. Curse. D. Imitation. Answer. A. Evidence or proof. 43. Passage. The scientists' groundbreaking discovery revolutionized the field of medicine. What does groundbreaking mean? Traditional. B. Innovative and new. C. Boring. D. Failed. B. Innovative and new. Passage. The committee reached an impasse, unable to agree on a decision. What does impasse mean? A. Deadlock or standstill. B. Agreement. C. Conclusion. D. Celebration. Answer. Deadlock or standstill. 45. His penchant for adventure led him to explore remote and dangerous locations. What does penchant mean? Dislike. B. Habit. Strong liking or preference. D. Fear. Strong liking or preference. 46. The CEO's speech galvanized the employees, boosting their morale. What does galvanized mean? A. Ignored. B. Criticized. C. Inspired or motivated. D. Confused. Answer. C. Inspired or motivated. 47. Passage. The author employed vivid imagery to bring the scenes to life. What does vivid imagery mean? A. Boring descriptions. B. Strong and detailed descriptions. C. Weak language. D. Repetitive words. Answer. B. Strong and detailed descriptions. Passage. She approached the challenge with equanimity, maintaining her composure throughout. What does equanimity mean? A. Panic. Calmness under pressure. C. Anger. D. Fear. Answer. B. Calmness under pressure. Passage. The philanthropist endowed the university with a generous donation. What does endowed mean? A. Took money from. B. Provided or gave. C. Sold to. Asked money from. Answer. B. Provided or gave. His novel juxtaposes themes of love and war, creating a powerful contrast. What does juxtaposes mean? A. Hides, separates. C. Places side by side for comparison. D. Rejects. C. Places side by side for comparison. Let me know your score in the comments section. For part 3 of this reviewer, visit my YouTube channel. Just search John Ryan Magalona. And don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe.